Hi guys, this is my truck kit. This is that's my get home bag, and this is a lot of like survival stuff for like actual survival situation or like just improvised camping, kinda. So I've had to do that a couple times. I've been stranded several times. So, and this is stuff that just stays in the truck no matter what. There's also a EDC bag I always have with me. It's like a mechanics OD green mechanics tool bag. That's U.S. Army issue, and that's like my EDC bag. But so this is a pick lock kit. This one's for the car, like you can go in between windows and stuff. Then I have an actual, this kit. I have a pick gun. I have all these keys for different kinds of equipment. I have padlock shims, and that's for the pick gun. And then in my EDC bag, I keep a regular pick set. We have a dechoker here, and we have a decent first aid kit. This is a rain poncho. I actually have another one in there that's decent as well, but this is out to be used. You grab it quickly instead of dig through that bag. Right there you can see a tourniquet as well, and then this hat. But we won't get into the bag today, but we'll get into this bigger kit here. So we have gloves, balaclava, or schmog rather, schmog. Some socks. These are gloves, mask, a bunch of socks, some Milwaukee winter or cold weather gloves. Actually, 2 pairs of those. Another mask, long sleeve shirt, pair of coveralls, short sleeve shirt. This is a Israel gas mask with 2 different filters back here. It has the hood and there's the hood, and then the drinking tube is in this side right here. And that is a surplus French gas mask bag, which works really well. Let's keep going with the nuclear stuff, huh? This is a Czech Republic 5-piece NBC suit. It's not the best. It's kind of more of a thinner suit. Has the boots and the hand deal, glove deals, and then of course like a poncho sorta. We have a Geiger counter here. This is a collapsible fishing pole. This is a really cool chair. This is a very lightweight tarp, and there's some paracord in there too. We have a life tent. This is a double hammock. We have a survival blanket. Then we have this cool stove that comes out, and then it nests back into this, and then there's a little stove, and there's methanol in here, and there's some cups and some silverware as well, so you can cook some things.